In this video, I'll show you how to print an image across multiple pages to create a poster using Microsoft Paint on Windows. First, open Microsoft Paint from the Start menu. Select the image you want to turn into a poster. In File, choose Print and select Page Setup. For example, for a 4-page poster, set the paper size to letter, orientation to landscape, center it both horizontally and vertically, and scale it to 2 by 2. Go to File, click Print and choose Print Preview to see how it will look when printed. To print, go to File, select Print and click Print. We need to make a couple more adjustments. Adjust settings by clicking More Settings, change the document size to letter, and switch the orientation to landscape, then hit OK. Finally, click Print to create your poster. After printing, carefully cut along the edges to piece the sections together like a puzzle. There you have it. You've successfully transformed your image into a poster using the print on multiple pages technique. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.